Backstitch is a wonderful hand embroidery technique that you can use for hand sewing too. To do so, face two pieces of fabric facing front sides inside and pin them. Thread your needle, make a knot and start sewing. Start with a distance of 1 stitch from the edge and make a backstitch. Then 1 stitch forward and a stitch back. Be careful to make the stitches of the same size and on the straight line. You can mark the sewing line if you need more guidance. Remove the pins as you go, as you might stab your fingers or the thread might tangle around them. When you reach the end of the seam, secure the last stitch with a loop and pass the thread under the couple of stitches. This way the thread is secured and you can cut it. The seam created with the backstitch is very robust and you can press it open or on the side.